After annotating the images, you would like to share the data with a friend or use it with some other tool. This can be done using the Export Topic functionality available under the three-point menu. A default dialog box with the following options is seen. To export a dataset with all images that contain bounding boxes, one has to select Images. Images must have bounding boxes and the format of the bounding boxes. Here, we will choose JSON format. By clicking Export, the progress can be observed on the top right corner. Click on the three vertical line symbol to see a detailed view of the export process. A few more filters can be used to export the dataset by using the constraints. Here, let us export the same dataset by adding constraints to export images with only squares as the object class. The progress can be seen by clicking the three vertical line symbol. The exported datasets are saved in the RCV-export-data folder.